2 decades ago, I was configuring on-premise servers and writing SQL queries by hand. Today, I architect tokenization platforms on Stellar, deploy Soroban smart contracts, and integrate AI models into digital forensics workflows. The distance between those two worlds isn't just technical, it's a complete reframing of how I think about problems, teams, and value. What follows are the lessons that survived every hype cycle, from the dot-com aftermath to the current Web3 and generative AI wave. Technology is a tool, not a trophy. Early in my career, I fell into the trap that captures most engineers, chasing the newest stack for its own sake. I once championed a NoSQL migration that solved 0 real problems and cost us 3 months. That failure taught me something I carry to this day: technology only matters when it moves a measurable business metric. When I evaluate blockchain projects now, I apply a brutal filter. Does this actually need decentralization? Many blockchain pitches I review are databases in disguise. Stellar earned my trust precisely because it solves a concrete problem: cross-border settlement in 3 to 5 seconds at fractions of a cent, versus the 2 to 5 days and $25 plus fees of traditional correspondent banking. That's not a trophy, that's a 99% cost reduction with a real-world beneficiary. The same discipline applies to AI. I've seen teams bolt large language models onto processes that a simple regex would handle better and cheaper. I've learned that the senior engineer's job isn't to know every tool, it's to know which tool not to use. Systems fail predictably, people fail creatively. In 20 years, I can count on one hand the outages caused by something genuinely unforeseeable. Infrastructure fails in patterns you can monitor, test, and mitigate. People, however, fail in ways no runbook anticipates: burnout, miscommunication, unspoken assumptions. The most valuable investment I ever made wasn't in a technology, it was in blameless postmortems. When my team stopped hunting for who broke production and started asking why the system allowed it to break, our incident recurrence dropped by roughly 60% over a year. In digital forensics, this mindset is doubly critical. Chain of custody errors are almost never malicious, they're procedural gaps. Soroban contract audits reinforced this for me. A reentrancy vulnerability isn't a bad developer, it's a process that lacked a mandatory security review gate. Fix the process, not the person.